This ink painting by the 20th century Chinese ink painter Chao Shao-an features a bearded monk with a shaved head and a large hoop earring dangling from an elongated earlobe. The monk is seated cross-legged on a circular mat holding a small red bowl. He wears a simple white robe delineated by pale gray outlines. His robe crosses across his torso, revealing a bony and bare chest. He glances to his left as if he is deeply focused on something outside of our view. An aura of light yellow surrounds his head, perhaps to suggest he is someone special. This painting is titled Meditation of Bodhidharma, informing us this is not just any monk, but one with an important legacy. So, who is Bodhidharma? Bodhidharma was an Indian or Persian Central Asian semi-legendary monk credited with bringing Chan Buddhism to China. Chan Buddhism is also known as Zen Buddhism and is a sect of one of the largest religions in the world. Bodhidharma arrived in China from the western regions around the 5th or 6th century CE. After Bodhidharma arrived in China and traveled around, he eventually settled down at the Shaolin monastery in Henan province, where he taught about the importance of meditation. The Chinese term Chan is derived from the Sanskrit term dhyana, which means meditation. Chan Buddhism focuses on meditation as a key practice to attaining nirvana or enlightenment, a state of profound understanding of the true reality of things. Meditation is sitting quietly, clearing one's mind, not thinking about the past or the future, but being completely present in the moment. Bodhidharma is said to have meditated for 9 years in silence while facing a rock wall in a cave near the Shaolin monastery. The artist Chao Shao-an portrays Bodhidharma seated in meditation in this painting. Knowing Bodhidharma meditated in a cave for many years, we can imagine him gazing intently at a rock wall to the right. According to legend, he fell asleep while meditating and felt so frustrated that he cut his eyelids off so it wouldn't happen again. Another legend tells us his legs eventually atrophied from sitting for so long and his image was impressed into the cave wall. In a text titled The Continued Biographies of Eminent Monks and dated to the 7th century CE, Bodhidharma is listed as the first patriarch of the Shaolin monastery. In Chan Buddhism, patriarchs are the principal enlightened teachers in the lineage of the religion. The second patriarch of Chan Buddhism was a disciple of the Bodhidharma named Dazu Huike. According to a legend about Bodhidharma and Huike, Bodhidharma not only taught meditation, but he also taught 2 practices to cultivate one's external and internal health. Bodhidharma believed good physical health was vital to a monk's ability to meditate for long periods of time, like 9 years. For external health, he taught a practice called 18 luohan hands, which is a style of Chinese martial arts, or wushu, associated with the Shaolin temple. For internal health, he taught a practice called sinew metamorphosis, which is a form of qigong, an exercise that involves slow movements and controlled breathing. The circumstances of Bodhidharma's death are mysterious, but one legend suggests he left China and traveled back home, never to be heard from again. Despite this mystery, Bodhidharma's legacy and teachings have endured, and today, Chan, or Zen Buddhism, is one of the most widespread sects of Buddhism across the globe. Bodhidharma is one of the most popular figures depicted in Buddhist art across East Asia, from gorgeous ink paintings like Zhao's hanging scroll to the iconic Japanese dolls of today.